Morning, Top Gun here, Thursday, November 18th, 4 a.m. on the West Coast. This is the YouTube pre-market commentary. The carnage beneath the surface. Can NVIDIA hold up the market? All right, first let's talk about Wednesday. So on Wednesday, the S&P was down 26 basis points and the NASDAQ 33 basis points. So just a seemingly mild sell-off, but beneath the surface, there was carnage. NYSE plus NASDAQ advancers to decliners was 2,588 advancers to 5,426 decliners. So 2 decliners for every advancer. While the major indexes held up pretty well, the IWM, the Russell 2000 ETF, was down 1.31%, a pretty substantial sell-off. The RSP, the S&P Equal Weight ETF, was down 53 basis points. And ARKK, Cathie Wood's ARK Innovation ETF, was off 1.85%, so a big sell-off. So what you saw, and which we've been seeing a lot lately, is the big mega cap tech stocks, such as Apple, which was up almost 2% yesterday, are masking tremendous weakness beneath the surface. And Apple can do this, right? Because it's a $2.5 trillion market cap or whatever it is right now. So a 2% move in Apple is $50 billion. That's worth more than many companies in the bottom part of the S&P 500. So if those companies are down, 1% or 2%, Apple being up, 1% and a 1.6% just wipes, hundreds of those moves out. So, there's things going on in the market that if you're just watching the indexes, you're not picking up on. Okay. Now, however, NVIDIA, the big semiconductor maker, reported a solid quarter, a very strong quarter, third quarter earnings after the close yesterday. Revenue was up 50% and earnings per share 60% year over year. And they had a strong fourth quarter guide of $7.4 billion in revenue and 67% gross margins. And that's 67% was the gross margins in the just completed third quarter as well. Now NVIDIA is up about 7% in the pre-market as I speak, and that's causing the futures, the S&P futures, to be up about 1/3%, and the NASDAQ futures to be up about 0.6%. So we're looking at a pretty hot open. Now my question about NVIDIA is, yes, the quarter was really good, but at 30 times their 2021 sales guidance, this good news feels like it's already priced into the stock. And like I talked about a few days ago, the stock is up 50% in just about the last 6 weeks. So it'll be interesting to see if this hot open can hold out. Like as I pointed out on Monday morning, the NASDAQ has not been able to close above 16,000 yet. So it looks like we're gonna open right up around there. We may well go above it, but the question is, can it hold? So it's going to be a very interesting day. Have a good one.